Hey guys, it's me again. I want to make a little overview of the leatherman Juice XE6. I just realized that I showed you the new item for my EDC, but I never showed the tools that it has. So first and the most obvious, the leather sheet that it's broken, so I have to or replace it or fix it. We will see. And then is the tool. First thing that you will notice is the lanyard hole. I just added a split ring from an old Victorinox Classic. In the outside you will find a regular, I guess, leatherman style blade. It's like a tanto with a drop point. An old behind the old, it's the saw. Next thing, it's an amazing pair of scissors. On the other side we have another, it's a serrated knife, right? There is no locking blades on the stool. They are all slip joints. Can't remember. Fine, abrasive, can opener or bottle opener, I should say, and corkscrew. On the inside we have the pliers itself. It's a little bit just put some oil and it's a little bit dirty. So we have our regular leatherman pliers with the wire cutters in the middle. On this side we have three flathead screwdrivers, big, medium and small, I guess. Nothing else on this side. And on this side we have the Phillips screwdriver. So I think that's all the tools. That's not good. This, I don't know if you realize that these three are quite tough to get off, or I should say open. That's why I put some grease on each part. I think was the one on the middle just flaps open and just make a little little cut on my thumb, but I will fix that with a little bit more of oil. Let me think. Yeah, I guess let's make a size comparison. So we have the EX6 the big brother, the Leatherman Charge. Small brother, the leatherman E4. Let's bring some it's fairly similar to the Victorinox Swiss jam. I have a Victorinox Swiss jam. It has almost the same size. The only thing is that the Victorinox is, I guess, 1 centimeter taller, but it's not a big deal. So, thanks for watching again, guys. If you have any question, please write down below. Yep, that's all. Nos vemos. Bye bye.